step out. Step out. Turn around. Hey, no, don't even play that. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Hey, where's that at, Sarge?
Here. Seat. No, right on the seat. Covered up right there. Open this damn door.
Perfect.
Open it up.
Yeah, I love it. Unbelievable.
Thank you.
Come on.
Look at me, I'm beautiful.
You keep talking.
Yes.
You keep
Yes.
talking.
You want to kill me?
Yeah, you're going down.
On March 5th, 2023, Orange County Sheriff's deputies in Florida initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle with illegal window tint. What began as a routine civil infraction escalated into felony arrests involving a concealed firearm, narcotics, and drug paraphernalia.
Yeah, I got it. County Cops 14, copy 1050. Silver Star in Pine Hills, Florida tag Alpha Kilo 90 Kilo Yankee on the black Infinity with unknown. Hey, stay off the radio. Hey, Purple and Sarge, where are you guys at? This guy looks like he might be, hold on.
Traffic STP. Location.
We'll get up to it. Where you at? I got him.
Hey, Burns, can you come over and bring this please back?
Hey, roll the windows down. Hey, windows. Windows. Yeah, I can't see. Huh? No. Pulling you over because you're a tint. You got a driver's license?
No, you gotta have to look at my name.
Do you have a handicap sticker?
No, you just
Step
just follow me and
Step
scoop
out.
me instead of
Step
just
out.
pulling me over. My friend, let me record it.
No, step out. Step out. Turn around. Hey, no, don't even play that. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Hey,
I ain't even do nothing.
turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
mad because I'm recording? Like, that's crazy. I ain't even do shit. You just
Stop.
pulled me over.
Hey,
Stop.
you're getting pulled over for this window tint.
For my tint, so why you restraining me like
Because
I
you're
did?
out
Smells like weed in the car.
They ain't got shit to do with me. What the f***? You just
Stop. Come on.
you don't get no
Stop.
pussy. You don't get no pussy.
Stop.
You don't get no
Stop.
pussy. You doing
Stop.
for tint.
Stop.
You don't get no pussy.
Stop.
It shows that you don't got
Stop.
you for a woman. I'm
You
a
sound
woman.
so ignorant
And you
right now,
ignorant as
and
fuck. You don't
everyone's
get no
looking at
pussy.
you.
I don't give a fuck. Everybody
Congratulations.
see. Pull out your
Look
phone.
at you.
This fuck nigga just put me
Look
on
at
the
you.
whatever reason.
Look
He
at
just gonna get my
everyone.
eyebrows
Window
done. Look at me. I'm
Look at
beautiful. Look
everyone.
at me. Hi, guys.
No one's
Hi, I'm
helping you.
bad, bitch. I
No
don't give
one's
a fuck because you nobody like you ass cracker.
are.
I'm literally coming
There
in my
it
damn
is.
eyebrows done. You put some motherfucking 10. Bitch, give me a ticket. You holding my arms and shit.
You're going to jail now.
Don't you fuck.
The stop is constitutionally grounded. Florida Statute Section 316.2 953 sets a minimum 28% light transmittance threshold for side windows. A confirmed violation provides reasonable articulable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, officers may order a driver from the vehicle, as a matter of course, during any lawful stop. The subject's refusal to comply generated the resisting charge under Florida Statute Section 843.02. The handcuffing of a non-compliant subject whose vehicle interior is not visible falls within soft, empty hand control, reasonable under Graham v. Connor, 1989, which requires force to be judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to name. Let me get this on camera.
I put the video in.
13 on the front. On the back.
I'm going down for what?
Hey, can you go out the
What did I what y'all got me in handcuffs? How did I
You're going to jail.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Awesome.
You messed up, you know, pussy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And you ain't getting me.
Oh, and weed.
You messed up, you don't get no pussy, fuck nigga. Yeah.
Do a quick,
And you ain't getting permission to
Can you?
Bruh.
Where are you going?
You just pulling me somewhere. Somebody, please come record. They're trying to get me off camera.
yeah, just do a
Please
quick
come record.
seizure in the car.
Please. So why y'all pulling me like this? I don't give a f***. I ain't do
Because
shit.
you're just
Hi. Hi. Ugly.
You're just not
Do your fucking
complying.
job.
We are doing our job.
Hurry up. Take me to jail so I can find out, fuck nigga. Bubbles for your pussy ass kid.
jurisdiction. Where's that at, Sarge?
No, right on the seat. Covered up right there. Open this damn door.
Perfect.
Open it up.
I love it. Unbelievable.
Thank you for not reaching
Okay,
for this.
why would I reach for that? I'm not a fucking threat. I would just get my eyebrows done. Why would I reach for that? You want to kill me?
You gotta conceal.
You want to kill me?
You gotta conceal
That's
weapons
not
permit.
mine. You want to kill me?
All right. Do you have a
Why would I
concealed
reach
weapons
for that? You
permit?
want to kill me? Dude, that's not mine. That's not. Why would I point it at you? I'm not a
You have a
threat.
concealed
I'm
weapons
a
permit?
get my. I'm a female. It's like 5 niggas. It's 5 cops. Do y'all want to get a quote that bad? Did y'all miss y'all fucking mark that bad? Oh, you're serious?
General investigation on 1793.
She's gonna get everything. She's gonna get fucking tickets. She's gonna get a ticket per window. She's gonna go to jail for this gun. She's gonna go to jail for weed. Hey, Corporal. She was gonna try to flee. She was doing this little circle, and then she just kind of like freaked out and pulled in here. But she was doing this ridiculous circle. Tow the car. Well, she gets everything. Hey, so Sarge, it was underneath this?
Yeah.
On the,
I mean,
on,
right up, right,
yeah.
right.
Concealed, but underneath.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Then I moved it to the side.
Okay. Some weed right here too. Yeah.
That's why I told you to pull her out.
Yeah, I could smell it too. I thought you saw like I thought maybe you saw something I didn't see. But yeah, I could smell it.
No, I saw the bag and there's just like
Yeah.
reeked, and then there's like shaking crap all over.
Yeah.
Once deputies detected the odor of marijuana, probable cause for a full vehicle search was established. Under United States versus Ross, 1982, this authorized search of every compartment and container without a warrant. The automobile exception applies in full. The loaded firearm found under a child's coat triggers Florida Statute Section 790.012, carrying a concealed firearm without a license, a third-degree felony up to 5 years imprisonment. Denial of ownership does not defeat the charge. Constructive possession is established by proximity and control. Cannabis exceeding 20 grams constitutes a felony under Florida Statute Section 893.136A. The digital scale adds a paraphernalia charge under Section 893.147. The subject's verbal outbursts, however profane, are protected speech under City of Houston versus Hill. 1987 deputies correctly charged the conduct, not the words.
Better than that.
Where's the serial number?
Right in this little window.
457-74586. Yeah. That's it.
Bro, I don't know what these white things are, but they're literally everywhere. Corbin, what the heck do you think this is?
I don't really know. Let me see. This looks like.
I don't know if it's gum or like.
Where are you finding it?
I found a couple in the seat. I found one over there under the car seat. This one was in a book bag in the back.
It is weird. Are they marshmallows? Did you squeeze them?
They might be.
Yeah, like a marshmallow, like a.
The ones I go in the hot chocolate or whatever.
Yeah, that's what that looks like.
They might be.
Hey, Vic, what's she saying her name is?
Janiyah Myers, J-A-N-I-E-A-H-M-Y-E-R-S. I ain't got to lie. 26, July 2nd, 1996.
Tonight, relax.
Yeah. No, because he's the one who broke up for no reason.
Stop.
You don't understand.
Stop.
Look,
You're playing the victim. It
well,
doesn't
I gotta
work.
put the
Stop.
right there. I
Stop.
have
No one's helping you.
Like, I don't need
No
help.
one.
I mean, your protection
Everybody
don't
knows you're
feel me.
wrong.
Wrong for
You're
what?
wrong.
Tell me what I did,
You got
sir.
guns and drugs.
That's not
Stop.
mine.
Stop.
Okay, that's fine. Do it.
So this isn't yours?
Yes, no,
It's in the same bag.
Yes, my bag.
Okay, stop. Stop.
You was a ass nerd. Ain't got a job because you feel like you a
Stop.
bro. Bitch, not kill me.
Keep talking.
Do shit
You
to
keep talking.
Yes.
You keep
yes.
talking.
Add them charges.
You
Fuck,
keep
nigga.
talking.
Add them charges.
You keep going.
And you is too. So
You
when you
keep
stop, I
going.
will stop. Not take
You got
me
her name.
to
You are going to jail.
Good job.
You're going to jail.
Not take me like a bar now. See?
You won't have
Just
go run her. Go run her. Go run her.
Excellent.
No, say.
Did a birthday.
It's not a common name. Yeah, we're giving her a ticket for that. Per window handicap. She's
getting everything.
Yeah, get a tow truck. Yeah, get a tow truck.
Stop.
That chick is 457. She's wild.
Huh? Is that? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, cool. That's probably why she got pregnant. She kept dropping them under the seat.
You probably need to make sure she takes those with her to jail. It did kind of look like the like mini marshmallows of hot chocolate. It's hilarious. I'm coming up here to get my eyebrows done. This chick looked like a monster when she got angry. That was wild. She's wild.
Jesus Christ, why are you so loud? Why are you so loud?
The thing that I found the funniest was she's trying to get everybody hyped up, and everyone's just like,
I know, everybody's looking at her like, what is this crazy lady doing? Hold that for me real quick.
It weighed over, total over 20 grams.
You already weighed it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
At least give her 4 of them.
You got spot too.
Handicap spot. She was crazy, dude. Oh, you guys missed it. You hear that?
So nasty.
She is. She was way out of control. Yeah, that'll be a fun ride to the jail.
22, but her eyes, just fucked up.
No, she's just a monster, dude. I don't even think she's single joint. I think she's just a monster.
She's just a mad woman.
You gonna have fun going to the jail.
Oh, sorry, where was that bottle? Is that alcohol? 20% alcohol.
We're towing your car.
That's fine. I know. I'll just get it out. I know what I do. No more little money. Don't make me mad. I told the car. Take me to jail. Throw away the key. Somebody smell like wet dog in here.
Must be you.
No, it's you. Y'all always smell like that dog wet. You can do one lap around the car, you smell like wet dog. That shit's bad.
There's no air vent between me and you, so it's it must be you. It must be you. You know there's no air vent between me and you? You know that, right? I'm not gonna smell you. What? You're weird. That's weird. Come smell you? That is odd. Come on.
Deputies B+, the stop, search, and arrest chain is legally sound. Composure under sustained provocation reflects professional restraint. Deduction informal remarks captured on Bodycam, "she's a monster," are unprofessional and create civil liability exposure. Subject C- non-compliance generated the resisting charge. Voluntary statements made after effective arrest were legally harmful. The Fifth Amendment right to silence, once invoked, cannot be used against a defendant she did not invoke it. The evidence, however, spoke for itself. Key takeaway: a lawful traffic stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion, not probable cause. Once stopped, the automobile exception can expand the encounter dramatically. Remaining silent and physically compliant are the two most legally protective choices a subject can make. Neither requires guilt or innocence. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.